Let's see, can you open the air filter cover on by himself? 5 minutes, you're still in one screw? You're supposed to get all the screws in before you tighten any of them up.
I can't see a thing.
You can't see nothing, you're supposed to feel it. Alright, so here's the spark plugs. Looks like they're burning pretty clean to me. Jetting's not too bad. Tick rich, but that's okay. Pretty clean. No oil. How's the oil consumption? Is it burning any of it?
No.
I can see part of a valve in there.
You see part of the valve?
Yeah, right there. Looks good.
Does it look good?
You have to go watch TV screen. You can't see squat in the camera, but you can see it pretty good on the TV screen. I think there's another valve in there, maybe. I can't tell. No, that's just a thread down in there. You can't see that one. That piston should be all the way up, but I don't see it through the plug hole. Okay, I need this plug socket, and oh, you got it? Okay. And go ahead and bump this up into neutral.
Do what? Put it neutral?
Yeah. Plug. You want to do that? You neutral now?
Yeah.
Sure? How do you know?
Spin the toe.
The wheel turns? Maybe you guys got low compression.
Real low compression.
Low valve springs? No, I think we have
Pretty easy spin.
Definitely got no low valve springs.
Well, the record-breaking filter replacement.
Record breaking?
Time-wise.
How do you know that? There you go. You guys have been working my bike at the racetrack.
Yeah, no, you can replace the
I
whole
would have had the
engine.
whole top end done by now.
Yep.
New cylinders, pop the oil pan off, clean the sump out, flush all the shit out of the motor, put it back together and refuel it. Put a nice bottle in the back and good to go.
New cylinders every round.
New cylinders, new pistons, flush the crank, refuel it,
What's the oil pan? They got oil pan in the Sportster?
do some jet changes. My bike does.
That's for easy access to the connecting rods, or what? How about the lift?
When you use the blown up motor cases, you just cut the bottom off and put a pan on it.
That's what I thought. For
You don't
easy
think-
access
You
lift.
don't think I use good parts on my race bikes, do you?
Should I take the lift off?
Take the lift off of what?
The bike off the lift?
It wouldn't hurt. Unless you want to start it up on the lift, that's up to you. You can start up on the lift if you want, I don't give a shit. It's going to vibrate and rattle around.
No, it'll make a lot of racket.
It's going to rattle around a little bit. No, that lift has a rubber on it, I think.
Huh?
I think that lift has a rubber on it. A rubber pad on it. Make sure the kickstand's down before you flip it against my truck. I don't want you to break my taillight lens over there. It's one of those special black ones I have to go to the junkyard and find. See, that one's chrome plated, that one's black. So. That's my cream puff. The kickstand looks like it's down.
Don't trust that kickstand.
We were supposed to fix that kickstand. That was one of the things we were supposed to do.
We already fixed that one time.
Why don't you tighten that all the way up so them get your fingers in there.
I'll put it back on the bike.
Wipe off the oil off there too. And that one has no rubber pad on that one.
Huh?
There's no rubber pad on that one. See, it's no rubber pad on it.
Rubber pad on this?
Yeah. Did you wipe the table up before you slid it across there?
We'll do it second. How to get well underneath it?
She missed the oil tank when she filled up and keeps dripping oil on it.
Still leaking?
Still leaking. And the axles. I never put the axle retainer back in.
I don't remember exactly where this lift was.
Should I put the axle retainer back in?
Eventually.
Oh.
Will it fit right now?
If it was a good one, it would might, but there it goes.
Reusable.
Especially when you're cheap. I don't know, working on 2 bikes on 1 video.
Is that centered up good for you? I don't remember where the thing goes, but it's close to there.
You know, the back end, front end's gonna have to go in the air this time.
So I'm gonna put it back there.
It doesn't matter. Just leave it there.
Okay.
All right, crank her up, boss. Push it the other way to make it go off.
It's kind of noisy.
Oh, they're clattering a little, yeah. Gotta let oil get on them. Sometimes it takes a few minutes on these new lifters. Of course, these are older lifters. They should pump up quicker. All right, crank it again. All right, go take it for a ride. See if they pump up riding the damn thing. They don't like pumping up. All right, we'll be back.